I remember sitting in front of my laptop at 2 a.m., reading that a 19-year-old had just earned $50,000 from Google for finding a single security bug. I was 26, stuck in a boring IT support job, making $38,000 a year. That night changed everything for me. The conversation that started security elites. Today, I am starting the same conversation with you. I am 100% sure every other person will start with what is ethical hacking? But we are built different. Welcome to day 1 of 100. No fluff, no padding, no theoretical lectures that put you to sleep. This is a hands on, step by step journey from I know nothing about hacking to I am ready to get paid to hack legally. Before I teach you a single command or technique, I need you to understand what ethical hacking actually is. Not the movie version, not the scary news headline version, but the real, professional, legally grounded discipline that companies pay billions of dollars for every year. This lesson covers everything a beginner needs to know before day 2. I want you to take your time with it, reread it. There are no shortcuts in security, but there is a clear, navigable path. You're walking it right now. Let's get one thing clear immediately, because the internet has made this unnecessarily confusing. Ethical hacking is not about wearing a hoodie in a dark room and hacking the planet. It's a professional discipline as structured and legitimate as accounting or engineering. Ethical hacking is the authorized legal practice of probing computer systems, networks, and applications for security vulnerabilities, using the exact same methods as malicious attackers, but with the explicit permission of the owner and for the purpose of making those systems more secure. The key word in that definition is authorized. That is the one word that separates an ethical hacker from a criminal. Same skills, same tools, same knowledge, different permission slip. A locksmith can pick any lock. That's their professional skill. A burglar can also pick locks, same technique. The difference is not the skill, it's whether the owner said yes. Criminal hacker, no permission. Ethical hacker, written authorization. Organizations pay ethical hackers to attack their systems first. The average cost of a data breach was $4.88 million. Paying a pen tester 5,000 to 50,000 is an obvious business decision. White hat, grey hat, black hat. Grey hat hacking is still illegal. Good intentions do not override the law. Normal users think, how do I use this system correctly? Hackers think, how can I make this system do something it was not designed to do? Question every assumption. Think like an attacker. Enumerate before exploit. Document everything. Persistence over perfection. Ethical hacking is 100% legal only with written permission. Without it, it is a crime. Never test any system you do not own or do not have permission to test. Ethical hacking is a high demand field. Millions of cybersecurity roles are unfilled globally. You need a computer, curiosity, consistency, and practice. You do not need a degree, expensive hardware, or certifications to start. This is your 100-day journey, from foundation to advanced techniques to career launch. Create a TryHackMe account. Write your why. Join the community. Day 1 is done. You've already done more than most people ever will. See you on day 2 where we install Kali Linux.